In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vignette to images in Photopea 2026, step by step. A vignette is a classic way to draw attention to the subject by gently darkening the edges of your photo. We'll build it non-destructively so you can tweak or remove it anytime. Open your browser, go to Photopea, then go to File, Open, and select the image you want to enhance. Higher resolution images handle soft fades better, but this works on any size. Next, create a separate layer for the effect. Go to Layer, New, Layer, and click OK. Keeping the vignette on its own layer means your original image stays untouched and fully editable, which is ideal if you want to fine-tune opacity later. Now choose the elliptical marquee tool from the toolbar. If you see the rectangular version, click and hold to reveal the elliptical option. Click and drag to draw a large oval over the center of your image, leaving the edges outside the selection. Aim to encompass your subject while keeping generous margins near the borders. If you need to reposition as you draw, start over and adjust the placement until it feels balanced. With the central area selected, invert the selection so the edges are targeted. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus I. You should now see marching ants around the outer area, indicating the borders are selected instead of the middle. To make the transition smooth, feather the selection. Go to Select, Modify, Feather, and enter a value between 100 and 300 pixels. The exact number depends on your image size. Smaller photos often look good around 100 to 150, while larger images benefit from 200 to 300 for a softer fade. If the edge later looks too harsh or too soft, you can undo and try a different value. Fill the selection to create the vignette. Press Shift plus F5 or go to Edit, Fill. Choose black for a classic natural-looking vignette, then click OK. You'll see the edges darken while the center remains clear. If you prefer a tinted look, you can pick a different color that complements your image and follow the same fill step. Finally, make the effect feel natural by lowering the vignette layer's opacity. In the Layers panel, reduce it to somewhere between 20 and 50%, adjusting until the edges guide the eye without drawing attention to the effect itself. That's it. You've added a clean, editable vignette in Photopea with full control over softness and intensity. Experiment with the feather amount and opacity to match the mood of each photo and enjoy the subtle polish this adds to your images.